Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and today's video is another Jomar Wholesale unboxing video. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome, I'm Quenby. I've been reselling 9 years on eBay and 2 years on Poshmark, and my channel, The Grateful Queen, is all about reselling. So make sure you are subscribed and you've turned on that little bell so you know when I put out my next video. You won't want to miss it. If you've ever watched my channel before, you know I absolutely love a good mystery box. Okay, I've got my invoice. So this box is 40 pieces of pre-owned men's clothing in excellent used condition. They said it's men's athletic and career. The total on this box was $139.99 and I got free shipping. You definitely want to make sure you are on Jomar's email list because they send out special offers only to that email list. I will have Jomar Wholesale linked in the description section below. On Monday, I put out a video of another Jomar box and it was all Victoria's Secret pink and that box was awesome. So make sure you check out that video. I'll link it in the description section below, as well as I have a whole playlist, you guys, of unboxing videos. Now, you know that I buy these boxes in order to turn around and resell these items online and make some profit. So I'm always hoping there are some things in this box that'll help me make back my $139.99. It works out to be only $4.60 an item. Why did I get such a big men's box? Because you guys, men's has been selling so well for me. I'm going to give you an honest review of this Jomar Wholesale box. I paid for this with my own money. I'm not sponsored. I do have a link below for 10% off if you want to try Jomar. Okay, honestly right now my big challenge is how do I open up this box and show you each item and not make a complete disaster of my living room, which is usually what happens after a haul video. There's usually clothes everywhere and I always feel bad for my family. Okay, here we go, you guys, and I'm really curious to see what Jomar Wholesale, what their idea of excellent used condition is, because I've been a thrifter forever and I'm kind of picky with what I would call excellent condition. These are super cute. American Eagle Outfitters. These are a pair of men's like khaki chino type pants. These look nice. They look like a current style. I've sold a lot of American Eagle. American Eagle women's jeans sell really well for me. They're really like juniors, but the men's stuff sells great too. These are just like a classic khaki with a straight leg. Those do look like they're in excellent condition. I'm gonna follow out this print. Camo. Have you guys noticed that pretty much anything camo sells well for me? It's just a print people really like. This is, by the way, I'm not familiar with the brand. I like that tag. It says small and it's a men's t-shirt. This looks big to me. I mean, I wouldn't think this is a small. This does have what I would call a little bit of wash wear. See, there's just like a little bit of pilling, so I would not consider that excellent use condition. I miss thrifting, you guys, so much. I've gotten all my inventory online. I'm here in Northern California. Thrift stores have not opened due to COVID, and now we have the wildfire stuff. I'm very safe, but it's smoky here and I just can't get out. So I'm so thankful to Jomar, to Thredup, to B&G Trading, to shopgoodwill.com, where I'm getting all this inventory online. Well, this is a nice surprise. This is new with tags. Men's express fitted dress shirt, size medium 15, and it was 69 bucks. Just a mall brand, but really super cute print on this new with tag long sleeve button down shirt. I don't love men's like dress shirts. I don't know why. I just don't love photographing them, and they're not my fave. Ooh, these are good too. These are Levi's, size 34, and there's like a pair of denim pants. But they're super cute green, olive green. I'll put military green, army color. Just a classic pair of men's Levi's. I can probably get 25 to 30 on those, so that's good. What is the tag on this one's throwing me off? Oh, this is a really good piece. Oh my God, Jomar. I was like, look at this super nice tag. Often you can tell that something's higher end or expensive by the tag, because if they put money into a tag like this, I want to make sure you guys know this brand. Listen up. This is Kit and Ace. Kit and Ace is somehow related to Lululemon, so when I have a Kit and Ace piece, I found a handful of them probably in my whole thrifting career, and they've sold between like 40 and 60 bucks on Posh or eBay. I put Lululemon in the title. So this is a size XL, super stretchy men's t-shirt. Oh, it's got some interesting like stitching detail in the back, like some seams. Super nice. I bet I can get like 30, 35 for that. I think I need a coffee. Come with me, let's grab a coffee, and then we can continue this haul because it's big. Back, caffeinated, happy. I love that espresso maker. If you're curious, it is linked in the description section. I have lots of helpful links in the description section below. I love it. So these don't look like they're in awesome shape to me. They do say with any of their wholesale boxes, you can expect a 15% defect rate. So I think I'm gonna make just a little pile. Like, this is not excellent condition. So I better make my little piles. These are Levi's, and these are cool. I like this style. I'm just looking for the size for you guys. Waterless, they're called. These are bigger size Levi's pants. They look really big, but they have the classic pocket and everything. These are like a big size, so that's really good. They just look like they've got, like here's a little bit of like staining, or it probably just come off in the wash. A little bit of nothing, I don't want to say staining. It's not staining, it's just like some shelf wear or something people sometimes say. It needs to go through the wash. Then it'll probably be fine. This is such a classic plaid, this blue and yellow, super classic plaid. Ooh, this is Ralph Lauren. It's an older one. Maybe I can sell it as vintage. It's an older Ralph Lauren tag, but men's Ralph Lauren still sells really well for me. Super cute button down top. You guys, you have to realize, if you get a pre-owned box from Jomar Wholesale, it's like thrifting online. This is secondhand stuff. They've got a store on the East Coast. I want to say it's like Philly. And so it's thrift store shopping online. So I kind of get the best of both worlds. This is super cute. This is like a flannel. I love men's flannels. Wallace and Barnes. This might be good, but I don't know. If you know anything about any of these brands, help us all out in the comments by letting us know. This is just a classic men's flannel. Those are really popular. I got a bunch of them in my recent Thredup rescue box, and I loved them. I have them listed. This has some details though that makes me think could be nice. See how there's like a chambray trim there? Instead of throwing all the clothes into a big pile here so that when I go to photograph them, they're wrinkly, I'm gonna take a minute and just fold them neatly in my bin. I seriously love mystery boxes. I've got Thredup mystery boxes, Shop Goodwill online mystery boxes, B&G, Goodwill Blue Box, so make sure to check out my unboxing playlist. I don't know what this is. Anyone know this brand? It looks like maybe some like young man hipster brand or something. WESC, Stockholm, Sweden. Could be good. It says, The Superlative Conspiracy. I lost my nephew Shane. I don't know what that is. That could be good, but I have no idea, so we're gonna have to look into it. Here's another pair of Express. These are men's jeans, and these are a size 30-30. And four-way stretch skinny, some hipster men's skinny jeans. Those are cute, those are nice. I don't have a lot of experience selling Express, but what I do know that I'm noticing in my business big time is the bread and butter $20 and under sales are going off right now. So I'm happy to have some of these mall brands in my store. Alex Cannon. There's a big loose thread, but I keep scissors right in my photographing station so that I can cut those right off. This is interesting. This is a vest. Are vests in at all right now, you guys? This is like a sweater vest, and it has almost like these epaulets. Like this is probably like a faux leather. I don't know. I'm really happy with my Jomar Wholesale box that I got, the Victoria's Secret one. So make sure to check that one out. This is a good brand. This is Club Monaco. I've picked this up over the years. It retails really expensive, and I wasn't having a lot of luck, but I did get a Club Monaco women's top. Thredup box, and that one sold really fast. This is super cool though. So it says Japanese fabric. It's a size XL, which is great. It has a very subtle print, kind of like a subtle black on black camo, and it's heavyweight, almost like a canvas. So that's really cool. I think it's intentionally a muted black. That's actually a pretty good piece. So I like that. Whoa, look at the distressed destroyedness happening here. Whoa. These not only are like ripped, I'll put in my title on denim like this, I'll put destroyed and I'll put distressed. These also look almost like they have intentional staining. What could these be? They're heavy. I'm gonna have to look this up. Fragment. These could be good. Fragment. The cut is called Jesus. They're designed in England, made in Japan. Guidance. This product is all finished by handmade treatment. Effects of damaging. You guys, I'm gonna have to look this up. These could be a total bolo. Hope I'm not wrong, but like a high-waisted men's skinny jeans with this level of distressing? Come on. Look at all that fray. So these were probably expensive to make. If you know anything, put it in there. If I'm wrong and they're just like some hipster mall brand, fine, but I think these are probably pretty good. Interesting. I'm getting a real great mix of brands. Jomar, I'm liking the mix of brands, and I'm liking the different sizes and some pretty current styles. I'm back in my comfy chair. This is my therapist chair. Some of you know that I'm a part-time reseller and I'm a full-time psychotherapist. I just started a new channel called The Grateful Therapist. Here's my cute new logo, but go over there and check that out. I've got all sorts of interesting mental health videos about anxiety, about being an introvert, about should you go to therapy. I'd love your support, so make sure to go over there and subscribe. And while you're at it, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, I have another huge pile to go through, and then I'm absolutely going to split this Jomar Wholesale box into 2 unboxing videos because this is a lot of stuff. 40 items is a lot. I'm so thankful to get it shipped right to my house. This is a men's Puma size large bright orange t-shirt in really good condition with a cute graphic. That should do well. We've got another Ralph Lauren men's polo, the big shirt, classic like forest green short sleeve polo shirt. I can usually get 20 bucks for those. I love the color on these. Check out this mustard color. These are new with tags, so that's awesome. And the brand is Goodfellow. Goodfellow is a newer line at Target. It's really trendy. Their stuff is really cute. And I don't know, it probably retails like $25, $35. These are size 34, 30, the Hennepin chino pant. Super skinny mustard pant, new with tags. That's awesome. Oh, look at this. You guys, look at this. Paint splatter. Oh gosh, you guys, it's that same brand. I hope this is something good. Fragment. I'm going to try and look it up, and I'll leave comps or any info that I learn about this brand on there. These are intentionally paint splattered. These are really cool. Even if they're not a super high-end brand, they're awesome. I mean, they just have all these special details. Those are very cool. That's like my favorite. That's my favorite stuff in the haul so far. Really interesting, different stuff. Unique stuff sells really great on eBay, of course. Ooh, these are Phillip Lim. It's his 3.1. It's like, it's so Phillip Lim's a designer, and Phillip Lim 3.1 is I don't want to say like it's like a lower end of the designer, but still good. Pair of black men's jogger sweatpants with pockets. Really skinny. They have a little bit of fade, so I would not say excellent condition, but pretty good. Ooh, another Nude tags. This is awesome. 32. Wait, I think that might be Peter's size. 514 Levi's. Levi's sell great. I mean, you know, $20 to $30, but Nude tag, those are super nice. I like this fabric too, really soft. Set those aside for Petey. Another pair of like super cool, interesting looking jeans. Whoa, I don't know. These feel amazing. I don't even know what that says. PRPS Noir. I might have got some good stuff in this box, you guys. I will definitely report back. The reason why I'm thinking these are probably expensive jeans is that there's all these details on them that are expensive to make. Look at this special tag. Look at all this on the waistband. And then inside, these are size 33. If you guys fall in love with stuff in my hauls, just message me and I'll send you an invoice through PayPal, or my stores and closet are linked below. I can't wait to go look these up because these look really cool. Couple more things and then you're gonna have to come back on Monday for part 2. I hope you come back. I love talking to you in the comments. This is Brooks Brothers size large classic menswear, pretty expensive. That's that little logo there. If you go to the store, these are expensive items. And this is really classic. It looks new. It has that like crisp, like it maybe never went through the wash, so that's a good one. And let's see what this is. This is cool. This is probably a good piece too. See that tag, Spend Thrift? It's just tacked on at the corners, and then it says Made in Italy. Made in Italy is usually a good sign. If I see a handbag or a pair of shoes and it says Made in Italy, I'm usually picking it up. I don't know what this is. It feels awesome. It's like a graphic shirt. I don't even know what that says or is, but I absolutely love it. It looks small and like slim, and the fabric's amazing. So this is part 1 of my Jomar Wholesale unboxing video. Men's items. I paid $4.60 an item, and I'm telling you, with what I got, I'll make my money back 3 or 4 times already, no problem, probably even more than that. And make sure to tune back in to my next video and check out my playlist of all sorts of unboxing videos. Thanks guys, bye.